Hi, Nick with Halo Inc. And today I'm going to show you how we break down our screen coater here. So we've emulsified all the screens that we needed. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and get the emulsion out of the troughs here. So what you're going to want to do, just go ahead and reverse the process. So you're going to unlock these guys. All right, it's going to pop this out. Bring it over to the basin here, and we're going to drain it back into our emulsion container. I like to use one of these paddles to get it out of there. And something to keep in mind, you do want to do this rather quickly, as the emulsifying ink here, the chemical, will start to harden. So it'll harden inside of your trough. So you want to make sure that you get this in a timely manner. Just scraping her down in there. Alright, set that off to the side. You want to make sure you put your lid back on, nice and secure. Set that out of the way. And we have, so we're going to fix that. All right, so we have a few scrubbing brushes here, just the red ones. So what you're going to want to do is just use that guy. I like to clean off our stirring sticks here. And the good thing about this chemical, it is water soluble, so the water will help to break it down. But as I said, this chemical will harden, so the longer you let it sit inside of there, the longer the cleanup process is going to be. You're going to have to scrub it. You want to make sure you get the outsides as well. And I like to get the outer edge. Set that back to the side. Okay, so now that we got our troughs completely clean, we're going to let those sit in here and let them dry. Now we've also got some emulsion down inside of our sink. We're just going to go ahead and scrub that stuff out. Leave it better than you found it. That's the idea. Clean sink. I typically like to just kind of set these guys in here, and I will set them face down just so they can dry, and we'll just pull them out when you're ready to load. Go ahead and load them up, and you can get your next run going.
Awesome.